Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor and the non-teaching vacancies notification from one of the government college, and from all over the India, from any state you can apply for these positions, guys. And here the chances are there to the candidates who are having the PG plus UGs in it, only post graduation and only graduation, fine. But for these different qualifications, the different remunerations are mentioned in the notification. And after completion of this video, if your requirements or the jobs are not there, that means your related subjects are not there, then please mention your subject or the requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues, it will be very much helpful to them. Watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Into the present content of the video. So the college name is Regional Institute of Education, NCERT, Mysuru. The vacancy notifications are released here. And this notification released on October 8th, 2021. And here the walk-in interviews are announced for the following positions at the institute in the chambers of the principal, purely on contractual basis for the academic session 2021 to 22. And coming to the name of the post and the educational qualification and the date and time of the interview. So all these things are mentioned here in this tabular format. So first one, coming to the name of the post, assistant professor in physics required, okay, one vacancy, theoretical physics or the solid state physics. And the qualifications required for this one is master's degree in the concerned subject with a NET or KSET. KSET means Karnataka State Eligibility Test, or MPhil or PhD required. So if you are having the PG plus NET also, then you can apply for this one. And the date and time of interview is 21st October 2021, morning 10 o'clock. And the next one is assistant professor in pedagogy of mathematics, one vacancy is there. Master's degree in the concerned subject, MSc mathematics and MEd. And the second one, NET or KSET or MPhil or PhD qualified in education. And the consolidated remuneration also mentioned here, 45,000 here, and this one also 45,000, and age limit as per the UGC, NCERT or the Government of India norms. And the walk-in interview date is 21st October 2021, morning 11:30. And coming to the next one, assistant professor in psychology or special education, one vacancy. MEd in special education and MSc or MA psychology, NET, KSET or MPhil or PhD qualified in education. Consolidated remuneration is 45,000 rupees per month, and the walk-in interview is same date at afternoon 2:30. And the next one is assistant professor in education, health or physical education, one vacancy. MPE or MPED, NET or KSET or MPhil or PhD qualified in the education, and remuneration is 45,000 rupees per month, and the same date walk-in interview, but the time is evening 4 o'clock. And coming to the next one, assistant professor in history, master's degree in history with a NET or KSET or MPhil or PhD qualified, and the desirable is also mentioned here, world history, archaeology, epigraphy, political science at UG level as one of the major subject, and consolidated remuneration is 45,000 rupees per month, and the walk-in interview date is 22nd October 2021, morning 10 o'clock. And coming to the next one, professional assistant library, one vacancy is there. So the essential qualifications are masters in library science or this one, or equivalent with at least 50% of marks. So for this one only PG is enough, no need of UGSNet or PhD, okay. And in the desirable cases, they mentioned the 3 years of experience and knowledge of library software and a 1-year course in computer with knowledge of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and proficiency in English language. All these are the desirable ways. And the consolidated remuneration is 23,000 rupees per month, and age limit is also mentioned. And the walk-in interview date is 22nd October, morning 11:30. And coming to the next one, semi-professional assistant, one vacancy is there. So the essential qualification required are graduate in arts or science or commerce or any other discipline or any other higher qualification with minimum 50% of marks. And apart from this one, the bachelor in library science must be done with 50% of marks. And the desirable qualifications are also mentioned here. You may check down. And the consolidated remuneration is 19,000 rupees per month, and age limit not exceeding the 27 years. And coming to the walk-in interview date and time is 22nd October 2021, afternoon 2:30. And next one, computer assistant, one post is there. Essential qualifications, MSc or BSc computer science, that means graduation or post graduation, or bachelor of computer application or any degree with diploma in computer science. Okay, and desirable are also given here. And the consolidated remuneration is 17,000 rupees per month and not exceeding the 35 years. And the walk-in interview date is 22nd October 2021 and evening 4 o'clock. And coming to the next one, junior project fellow. So one vacancy is there. And for this one, under a PSC program, biannual journal on educational studies, so up to 31st March 2022, essential qualification, master's degree in education and a computer literacy. Desirable things are also mentioned here. So for this JRF post, if you are net qualified, you will get 25,000 rupees per month. If you're not having the net, then 23,000 rupees per month. Age limit is not exceeding 30, and the walk-in interview time and date is 23rd October 2021, morning 10 o'clock. And the next one is also junior project fellow, so national population education project, and essential qualification MEd with any other degree. So the consolidated remuneration as per the above, net qualified 25,000 and non-net 23,000 rupees per month, and age limit is 30 years. And the walk-in interview date and time is 23rd October 2021, morning 11:30. And the next one is again the junior project fellow, BSc degree with computer knowledge. Okay, and consolidated remuneration is 23,000 rupees per month, and the age limit is below 30 years. So walk-in interview date and time is 23rd October and afternoon 2:30. So these are all the things, guys. So you may check down, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the more details, you have to visit the official website of this college. And to get the accurate and more details, whatever the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you please go through that one as well as the official website also, then you will get the accurate and the complete details. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.